So why is a good retriever important? I mean, Forrest and Simon both talked about the RAG system. Now, in the RAG system, what happens is, so for example, if I'm a company and I want to, get answers from my own data, and my data is like large, it's like billions of documents or millions of documents, I cannot feed all of those documents to my LLM at once, right? That's the basic concept of RAG. You use an embedding model to embed those documents, put them into a vector store, and when a user query comes in, the vector store then gives you the top 5 or 10 or 20, whatever you want results. And those subset of results are what you pass to your summarizer or your large language model or generative model. Now, the thing is, if your embedding model or your retrieval model is not good, no matter how good your summarizer is, can be a trillion parameters, can run on like 100 H100 GPUs, it's not going to give you the right answer because what you're feeding it into it doesn't even have the right answer.